Hey guys, Reckless here, back with our video. So in this video we're gonna make a tech house slash bass house drop, like in the style of Malaa and Matroda. So we're gonna combine those two styles in this drop. So we're gonna take the best of both worlds, including the Matroda style leads, the Malaa style bass, the Matroda style vocals, and the Malaa style drums. We're all gonna merge that into one drop, so let's try to get started. So first let's start with the drums. Let's go for this kick from the bass house pack. And make a 4x4 rhythm with it. Then let's add a clap. Sounding like this. Now add the open hit at the offbeat. Now let's add more groove with a closed hi-hat. We'll be using this one, place it right before the open hi-hat and quantize it to get it slightly off the grid. I also added a small percussion thing, altogether sounding like this. Now let's mix it. So for the vocal, let's hop over to Splice. Then go to the genre hip hop, because it tends to work well with the style. Sort by vocals. Add phrases.
Sipping on my lean and I'm with my fucking team.
I think we already used this pack.
It's a bounce. It's a bop.
So this one sounds dope.
It's a slap. It's a
Let's
knock.
go for this one.
It's a bounce.
And drag it in. Sounding like this.
Bounce. It's a bop. It's a
Now let's mix the vocal.
It's a knock. It's a knock. It's a It's a bop. It's a slap. It's a bounce. It's a bounce. It's a bop.
So now let's work on a bass sound like Malaa did in his track. We're using this preset from the pack. Add some more sustain to it. Now let's make a bass melody. It's gonna be a 1-bar loop, quite a simple one. We're working in G minor. Just like this. So now let's mix it. So far the song sounds like this.
It's a bounce. It's a bop. It's a slap. It's a knock.
Now let's work on the first lead fill like Matroda did in his track. We'll be using this preset from the pack. Now let's make a melody. This will be the first melody. Now let's add an LFO to the volume and filter. We'll be automating it later on. Right to the level. And filter. Now let's automate it. We'll be placing this lead at the start of the first drop. Make the last note a little bit longer. Now shape the automation. Let the LFO speed up when the last note is playing, sounding like this. Now mix it. Now let's work on the second lead sound. We'll be using this preset from the pack. We'll be making a melody quite similar to the first one, sounding like this. It sounds a little bit thin right now, so let's mix it. Now let's automate the pitch of the lead. Make the last note slightly longer. And pitch it down, sounding like this. Besides that, I added these random synth fills from the pack. And some small effects to make the transition a little bit smoother. And that's it for the video. So the final result will sound like this. If you like the video, please leave a like, see more, hit the subscribe button, and I'll see y'all in the next videos.